Hi, I'm Angela Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. So you may be wondering why I'm holding some empty eggshells in my hand. Well, not only are eggs really good, but the eggshells make great fertilizer. So if you have a compost pile that you keep or a compost tumbler, then definitely add your eggshells to your compost. I pulled out some of my compost here. It does take a little longer for the eggshells to break down, so it's important that you crush them up really finely and then they'll break down a little quicker. What the eggshells do is it adds calcium into the fertilizer that you're making in the compost here, and which is a mineral element that plants really like, especially tomatoes. I always add eggshells into my tomato plantings or the compost that has eggshells in it. If you aren't keeping a composter, then what you'll want to do is just take the eggshells and crush them up really finely. A lot of times if you let them dry for a couple of hours out on a counter, then they'll crush up a little bit more. And then what you can do is just add your eggshells around the base of your plant. Even eggplant is really good. I've got an eggplant here. Is just put them around the base and cover them with additional potting soil when you're planting them. So definitely consider using eggshells as part of your fertilizer, and your plants will be really happy for it. If you have any other questions about how to use eggshells with your eggplant, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.